Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's episode shows the draft to completion process of this outfit. Please stay tuned. Draft a pattern stopping at the half length. The link in the description box shows the drafting of a full-scale bodice. For this project, adapt this pattern to a half-scale bodice. Tighten the underbust. From the dart leg on the center front, mark 0.5 inch. From the other dart leg, mark 0.75 inch. With a slight curve, connect from the bust point to the underbust. Go out by 0.25 inch from the bust point before connecting the bustier curve on the side. From the underbust, connect a straight line to the half length. Connect the center front bust point to the mid armhole. Come down by 1 inch and connect to the bust point on the side front. Extend the armhole line by 1 inch and redraw the armhole. Go up by 1 inch from the back over chest line and draw a curvy neckline to the center back. Do the same on the front block. Replace the extra dart intake to the side waist. Redraw the side line. Take the difference of 2 inches between the front and back half length. Place it on the nipple to nipple line. Connect to the bust point. From the back mid armhole, draw a freehand line connecting to the dart. Extend the princess dart line by 1 inch again and redraw the armhole. Separate the front and back block. Cut through the dart line, stopping at the bust point. Close the princess dart line, redraw the neckline. Cut out the neckline, close the bust dart, redraw the side line, cut out the side line, armhole and the darts. Then cut out the back pattern. Label the center back, side front, center front and indicate the center front is on fold. To cut the strap, we need the round shoulder minus the over chest. Here it is 7 inches. Fold the pattern paper, roll a starting line. Mark the height of 2 inches for the strap. Place the 7 inches on fold and place on the top line. At the bottom line, mark 4.5 inches. Connect the armhole. Come down by 0.5 inch bottom line. Connect to the armhole. Then come down by 0.5 inch from the top line also. Cut out the pattern. Here is the off-shoulder sleeve. 9 inches is the strap to strap measurement here. Divide by 2. Place the front pattern together. Mark the 4.5 inches point. Redraw the armhole. Here is how the off-shoulder sleeve will be placed. Cut out the armhole. For the back block, mark the strap to strap measurement also. Reshape the armhole, indicating here the 1 inch to be added to the chest line since it is sleeveless. Take out 16.5 inches, the half length of the bodice. Fold the fabric by the stretch side. This is the front piece on the back piece. On the back piece, mark the zipper allowance of 1 inch. From the fold of the front piece, mark quarter of the waist circumference. Come down by 10 inches to get the hip line. Here, mark quarter of the hip circumference. Remove the body's half length to mark the knee line. In this case, it is 34 inches. Minus 1.5 inches from the hip. Place the resulting inches on the knee line and place same on the hem. Connect a straight line from the knee to the hem. From the waist to 1 inch before the hip, then the hip to the knee. For the back, eliminate 1 inch from the center back waist and connect to the hip line, eliminating 1 inch from the knee line as well. This curve creates a bum illusion. Come down by 1 inch from the center front waist and connect to the side. Replace 1 inch for the zipper allowance at the side waist, plus 1 inch dart allowance for the back, plus 1.5 inch seam allowance for both front and back. Place 1.5 inches seam allowance on the hip, knee and hem. then connect the points. Cut out the fabric, separate the center back and keep the back piece aside. The only seam allowance required for the front is 1.5 inches seam allowance. Reconnect to the hip line and cut out. Place the fabric on fold for the upper bodice. Place the center front pattern on the folded center. Place the side front on the fabric and pin them in place. Remember to go upwards by 1 inch to increase the chest line. Then add 0.5 inch seam allowance all round the pattern. For the side, add 1.5 inches seam allowance. Connect all the points and cut out the fabric. Notch the underbust for easy identification and continue cutting. Place the back pattern on a folded fabric also. Add corresponding seam allowances as done for the front. Add 1 inch zipper allowance on the center back, 0.5 inch on other areas, then proceed to cut out. Notch the zipper allowance points. Double fold another fabric for the off-shoulder sleeve. Add 0.5 inch all around the pattern. The pattern set is ready. This is the lining fabric to be cut in a similar way as the main fabric. Here we have the organza fabric folded in 4. This is for the ruffles, 29 inches widthwise and 36 inches lengthwise. Mark the center vertically and horizontally. Draw a letter E as shown, then mark 4 inches from the middle on different points. Connect from the E to the 4 inches points, then continue marking 4 inches round as shown and connect as you go along. When the spiral markings is done, proceed to cut. This is the flounce for the sleeve. Part 2 shows the sewing process. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.